Hello, it's time for another episode of Cooking with Peggy. Happy Thanksgiving. Today we're going to do something with turkey, leftover turkey. I am going to be making turkey tetrazzini. It's one of my boys' favorite leftover turkey recipes, and they request it every year. There are some years that if I don't have a big enough turkey for leftovers, I actually will go to the store and buy turkey breasts just so that I can make tetrazzini for them the day after Thanksgiving. So this is the recipe. It is 1 box of thin spaghetti noodles, 1 cup of milk or half and half, 1 large can of cream of mushroom soup, 1 bunch of green onions, about 2 cups of your leftover turkey, white or dark meat or a blend, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese. So let's get started. First, you want to cook your spaghetti noodles in salted boiling water about 10 minutes until they're soft, and then drain them and set them aside. While the noodles are cooking, we're going to chop up our green onions and our turkey, and you just want to trim the onions. And these green onions, as you know, you go a little bit up into the green part from the white to the green about this far. So we want to trim the onions and chop them not too thick, not too thin, just right. And I've used 1 bunch of green onions. It is approximately 6 onions. And you can make it as flavorful as you like it, or as little onions as you like. This seems to be a good amount for this recipe. Okay, so I've chopped all the onions. We'll go ahead and put these in the bowl and get ready to chop the turkey. Now we'll go ahead and chop the turkey. Mine is already in slices. Yours might be in bigger chunks. You can also use shredded turkey. We just want good sized chunks, about a 1/2 inch. And we will be, this makes about 2 cups right here. So we're done chopping the turkey. We're going to add that to our bowl. And then we're going to add our soup, cream, and cheese and mix it all together with the drained spaghetti noodles. And then we'll be putting it in a casserole dish. Okay, we want to add our 1 cup of cream, our large can of cream of mushroom soup, and then we will be adding 1.5 cups of the 2 cups of mozzarella. The other cup we will be sprinkling, the other 1/2 cup we will be sprinkling on top of the casserole after it gets ready to go in the oven. So you want to mix this well. And then we will be adding our spaghetti noodles. These spaghetti noodles, here we go. And we'll mix those up real well. And make sure to coat the noodles with the sauce before we put it in the casserole dish. Okay, we're going to be putting it into a greased 9x13 casserole pan, and then sprinkling the other mozzarella cheese on top, and bake at 350 in a preheated 350 degree oven for about 20 minutes. At the end of the 20 minutes, you can always put it on broil for a couple of minutes to get the cheese on top to look crispy and brown. I don't usually do that because we don't like it that way, but the recipe calls for that. We're going to sprinkle the mozzarella on top. And it's ready to go in the oven. Okay, 20 minutes later, I've taken it out of the oven, and we use this just like a casserole. We cut it into squares and dig in. So let's see what we have here. The finished product, turkey tetrazzini. Happy Thanksgiving from my family to yours. Enjoy.